Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you all doing?
Good, ma'am. What
Good.
about you?
I'm also doing good, my
Good.
dear. How was the weekend?
Great.
Good, ma'am.
Was it all great?
Yeah.
Yes,
We
yes.
went to Trivandrum.
What?
We went to Trivandrum Zoo.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice. So you're in India right now?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Hindi class is done. Okay.
So, Zehra and Abel, can you please turn on your video? Abel, you there, Abel? Why, Ryan?
Good morning, ma'am.
You want to pair with me?
Huh?
Nice, thank you. I too love to pair
Oh,
with you.
okay.
Nice. Abel, you there, Abel? Hello. Abel, can you hear me? Yes. Can you adjust your cam, dear? A little bit. Adjust. I cannot see you. I can see only your eyes. Yeah. Nice. Yes. Now, so what were we taking in the last class? Are you all ready for
In
UAE meetup?
addition and subtraction fraction.
From here, who all are there in Dubai?
I mean Abu Dhabi, not Dubai.
Okay, but you'll be coming for UAE meetup, right?
I don't know.
Ma'am, I'm in UAE now, but I'm going after 1 week.
He's going back to India at
Next
At
week.
that time.
Yeah, I'll be going.
Oh,
In India, where are you, Raya?
In,
Ryan?
Ryan, where do you live in India?
yes, ma'am.
Where are you now in India?
I'm not in India now. I'm
I'm
in the,
sorry. In India, where are you?
I'm in Kerala.
Okay, in Kerala, which place?
In Kerala, where are you?
In Adur. Adur.
What?
Adur.
Which district?
Um, Kannur.
Okay.
I don't know.
I know Kannur. I used to go there. My grandma's sister is there.
Okay, nice. So that's it. So, Ryan also will not be there. Don't try to miss. Don't what that miss it. Okay, try to attend it. That will be great fun. You can enjoy.
Yeah, like all of us will be there.
Mm,
And from other classes also they will
yeah.
be there.
Ma'am, 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 I'm going to India after 1 week, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to attend it.
November 17 is the date for this.
So
Oh,
I can't attend it.
So you'll be going at that time.
Yeah, before November 17th.
yeah.
Oh,
You're going
try to make it after November
14.
17, dear. Try
What,
to
ma'am?
make it after 17.
Or you could do
Okay.
like 18, 19.
Okay, it's up to you, but it will be very what after 1 year only you will get a chance again. Don't
Yes,
be
ma'am.
sad. In Qatar also, Major is planning to get it, make up an office, and by next year it will be the meetup will be there in Qatar also. Okay.
What's that?
Okay.
Yes. So, Abel, again you turned off the video.
Ma'am, I think Abel is scared or
Ma'am, look
something.
at this. Ma'am, which story do you remember by the scenes?
Hmm, I don't know.
Looney Tunes?
The rabbit and the turtle.
Rabbit and who is that? Yeah,
It's Looney
okay.
Tunes. Ma'am, can I go
Right.
to the
The racing
washroom?
game, the racing story, right?
Yeah. Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah. Make it
Alright.
come fast. You were having break, no? In before this. Okay, children. So we were taking fractions, right?
Yes.
And we just started it. And we did some questions. You
I do check.
remember?
Ma'am.
Is seven
So
of
I
the
said you
drawing.
to do
What
the
are
second question as homework, right? All
Yeah,
of you
I
done
did
that?
it. Yes. I did, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't do it. I didn't see it in the classroom. So can I do it now?
No, no, you are not allowed. You can do it and
Yeah, me too. I didn't see it in the classroom.
okay, no problem. I'll just someone said echo.
Finished it now.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything because
Yeah,
everyone is echoing. Yeah. Yeah.
try to just mute your call. Right. Now it's okay, right?
Ma'am, ma'am, that is from
Okay,
Zaituna.
nice. Okay, children. So, just I said you to write down this question, right? Those who are not having textbook, I said you to write down this question and submit it, isn't it?
Yeah,
I
but
thought
you
of
didn't put
discussing
the
it from the
mark.
class. If it is not there in the classroom, means you should not do it, right?
Okay.
Is it? Okay, so I
Yes.
just put it in today. I'll put it in the classroom and you can submit it today itself. Okay. Yeah, now let's discuss the third
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Find the missing fraction. 7 by 4 minus 4 by 5. How can we make it? 7 by 4 minus 4 by 5. Hmm? Just write it. What are the steps for doing that?
What are the steps? Okay.
7 by 4 minus 4 by 5. Which step we can use here? LCD method or butterfly method? Which one is it?
LCD. Sorry.
I felt like butterfly method is good.
Butterfly. Yeah, I did it butterfly, but I
Okay,
did
so
not do
7
the
into
like
5 is
wings part
35.
because
35 minus 4 into 4 is 16. All divided by 4 into 5, right? This is a method for doing that, right? The answer is 19
the
by
answer is 19 by 20.
okay. So there is nothing to
20.
simplify also. So let us write the answer 19 by 20 here. Okay. Yeah. Now, how can we do this question? The second one. Dash plus 2 by 3 is equal to 13 by 4. In such a cases, how can we do it? Okay, whether it's LCD or butterfly,
LCD.
what we have to do here? Though it is LCD or butterfly,
Ma'am, I
which
can't hear
by
you. There's a big echo.
what is the thing that we have to do here? Here it is missing. It is not the normal, not like the normal question. The missing part is here. So what we have to do in this part? These two are given, right? So what we have to do in this part?
How to see
From
what
whose side echo is
the
coming?
Plus
minus
addition
minus
expression.
minus minus there is echo.
Is that okay now? Minha, over you? I think from Bilal's side the echo is coming. Yeah. Can you
Mine?
rejoin Bilal?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So look here, children. In this type of questions, what we have to do? Zahra, you don't know? How can we write this answer?
What we have
How
to
can we
multiply
get
to
this
find this
answer?
answer.
I know,
Okay,
ma'am.
this answer.
Multiply 3 by 6.
13 by 4 is the answer. Okay, from the answer, here it is plus, right?
Man,
Minus
Very good.
13
Okay.
by 4 minus
Yes, Bilal.
2 by 3.
Okay.
Is it still echoing?
Look here. So 13 by 4 minus 2 by 3, right? Here it is plus. So this plus 2 by 3, when it come here, this part, it will become minus 2 by 3. Okay? So when we do 13 by 4 minus 2 by 3, we will get the answer. So make it fast. Try to find this answer so fast. Yes. What?
man, 31 by 12.
13 by 12.
31 by 12. 31. No,
Find the
31.
answer, children. Find the answer. 13 by 4 minus 2 by 3, right? So what we have
Ma'am,
to do in this part?
is it echoing?
Just first you make solve it by either by butterfly method or it
Yes.
by LCD method. I think butterfly method is good here. So 13 minus 2, 13 by 4 minus 2 by 3 means how can we do it by butterfly method? 31 by 12. Is it 31 or 39? Zara? 13 into 3, right? Is 13 into 3 31?
31. I got it.
Yeah,
No, ma'am, the total answer I
13
got it.
minus
31 by
That
12.
is
8
39.
39.
whole
That is
by,
total 39.
yeah, 39 minus 8. That means 13 into 3 is 39, right?
31. You can't do.
39 minus 8.
No.
That is just 12.
We did this, right?
No, not this
No,
question.
no.
You might done that as a homework, I think.
Yes.
I gave you this as a
We finished
homework.
this last class.
So 39 minus 8 by 12, right?
But I didn't do that as a homework.
So 31 by 12 is the answer. So you said about the last answer, dear.
Yes.
Okay.
31
So
by
the answer
2.
is 31 by 12. All got this answer, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Can I rub this question, children? Everyone? Okay. So Chippo and Leek work out the answer to 2 by 3 plus
I
3 by
think
5.
Ryan is right.
Okay. Chippo says that the answer is 19 by 15. Leek says that the answer is 1 4 by 15. So, who do you agree with? Explain your answer. First, you work out the answer. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Butterfly method itself is you can use here. Yes, Zara. Then, Chippo answer is correct.
Ma'am,
What about all others? Everyone got the answer
Chippo
like
answer is
that of
correct.
Chippo?
Yes, Chippo answer is correct.
All got the
Yes.
answer that Chippo got? But I'm saying both the answer is correct. When we make
Yes,
19
ma'am.
by 15 is an improper
Yes,
fraction.
ma'am.
Yeah. When 19 by 15 is
How?
an improper fraction, right? So when we divide it and make into
Both
mixed
my answer
number,
is
what
correct.
we'll get? 19, 19, how many 15 is there? Hmm? In 19, 115 is there, right? So 115 is 15 itself. What is the balance here?
4.
4.
250.
So what is the last answer we get?
1 minute.
We'll
Sorry.
write 1
I
in here. The answer has a whole number.
3, 4,
4 as
4.
the remainder in the denominator and 15 the dividend. Okay, as the denominator. 4 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator. Okay, so 1 4 by 15 is the answer we get when we make this answer into mixed number. So a little more apt answer is that is of leak. Okay, if we get the answer in an improper fraction mode, what we have to make? We have to make it into a mixed number. Okay, so this is right, but this is good. This is better. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay.
So,
The answer of leak is a little more better. Understood how we changed 19
okay.
by 15 into
Okay.
That was a bit.
mixed number?
So we could write both of them
Yeah,
correct.
both the answers are correct because when 19 by 15 is changed to a mixed number,
Okay.
we get the answer
Ma'am, so we
1
could write both
450.
of them correct.
Written everyone. Ryan, what are you doing? Write it down. Write it down. Done. Done this one also. How we are making it a mixed number also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I rub this question? All are done with this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
What?
Ma'am, the second question, ma'am, will put the homework.
Why it is not going? 1 second.
The
Okay.
second question, calculate. Ma'am will put homework.
Okay. This is the fifth question. Okay, children. Calculate 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5. Make it fast. I want the answers fast. A and B. Or do one thing. Or do one thing. Do the A question of both the ones. A 5 and do the question A and both A is A in the questions 5 and
Ma'am,
6.
only A and B.
Okay. After that, I'll say you. Do you want? No, it's because might be because of your network issue, dear.
Ma'am, why is everyone's cameras off?
No.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah, Abel's camera is off.
His Abel's camera is on.
Got
Ma'am,
the first
his
question
Abel's camera
answer.
is on.
Okay, you can carry on with the B one.
Okay.
You find answer for 5 and 6
Ma'am,
A.
I got the first question answer. Ma'am, yes.
Do 5
Okay.
A and 6 A.
5. No, ma'am, I got it 5A. Okay.
You can do the question after at last we'll discuss it. Okay. Do the answer for 5 A and 6 A. After
Ma'am,
that you say.
23 by 10.
If you finish it, you can do B also.
Okay. Okay.
No, no, no. If you finish 6A also, you can then you can do B, both the B questions.
Ma'am,
5B and 6.
can I say the answer?
Yeah.
Hmm? Okay.
Ma'am, can I take screenshot?
What, dear? 5C. Did you finish 5B and 6B?
Ma'am, can I do 5AC? Can I do
You have
can
to
I
do
do
5A and 6A
number
first.
5C?
Okay. After that, you can continue with 5B and 6B.
5B and 6C. We have to do those first. Okay. Ma'am, can I do 6A and 5B? I mean 6B and
Yeah, yeah,
5B?
sure. If you finish 5A and 5B, 5 and 6A, then you can do 5B and 6B. Yes, yes. If
Ma'am,
you
can
finish
I do
both B
C
question, then you can do C
question?
question.
5 and 6. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have to do all of the questions?
Yes, D. Yes, dear.
We had to do all of the questions, right? A to C. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can I
yeah.
do 6C and 5C? Thanks,
Well, are
ma'am.
you doing, dear? Abel? Yes, Bill, I'll do it. Very good. Everyone finished all the question?
Ma'am, I finished all the
Okay.
question.
No, ma'am, I'm still not done.
Done, everyone? Can we move on? Okay.
No, ma'am. I'm on C. I'm on C.
What? Yeah, 6th A, B, C you have to do. Okay, now
Do we have to
which all questions you all finished? Up to which question
do we
everyone
have to do
finished?
6th A, B, and C? Okay.
Ma'am, I finished two questions. I finished two.
I'm doing the minus P.
Okay, so what is the answer for 5A? Fifteen plus 8/10. 22 by 10, right? So 2.2 you can write, or you can write it 22/10 itself. Okay.
23 by 10. It's 23 by 10.
2.2, right?
2.3, right? 2.3, right?
Okay, but you can do it has no problem if you write it in the fraction form itself.
Yeah.
Okay. Either you can
Right,
write 22/10
23 by
itself.
10.
That's okay.
Ma'am, it's
I
23 by
write 32 by 10.
What about the 6A?
Oh, sorry, 2.2.
19/10, right? 19/10, isn't it?
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now? Okay. 19/10,
And
right? That is answer for 6A, isn't it?
90
Now
by
what
10.
about 5B?
90 by 10. 90 by 10.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your stuff.
And some voice are coming from others.
Oh, 5B you did not. In which question you done then?
Yeah, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do one thing. Those who did not finish, do the questions by homework. Okay, we'll be discussing this in the last. Yeah, submit it in the classwork.
Didn't do
I'll
that,
write
ma'am.
it as a homework. Those who already done it from the class, you can submit it in the classroom. Okay?
53 by 12, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and the next one,
Which
B,
question, Zara?
53 by 12.
Ah, I only did the 5th A and
Yeah, yeah.
6th A
I'll
and
upload it
Ma'am,
in the
5th B.
classroom.
That's all I had.
With this,
That's
okay.
all I
Second
did in
question,
5th
fifth question, and sixth question.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, that you can submit it in the
We know
classroom.
this
Okay.
question. Ma'am said the
Okay, okay.
second question is in a is homework. Ma'am will upload the slide
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
or screenshot. Okay.
But I done it in the classroom, I think.
Okay.
Second, five, and
Ma'am,
six.
I think we do that.
That you can submit in the
Second,
classwork itself.
six
Okay.
homework. I already
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
after doing the
So
second one,
Leroy
fifth
colors
one, and
1 by
sixth one,
4
I
and
will send
1
in
by 6 of a
WhatsApp.
circle.
Okay?
What fraction of the circle does he leave
Sending in
white?
WhatsApp is okay, right?
What is this question? What is
Ma'am,
remaining here? Can anybody answer this question? Do you have any idea on this question?
you upload this in the classroom?
Challenged students can
Okay,
answer
then I'll
this.
submit.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 by 4 is 1/4. And this is 1 by 6, right? So they're asking, what fraction of the circle does he leave white? Okay, so he colored 1 by 6 and he colored 1 by 2,
1
1 by
quarter.
4. And what fraction does he leave white? That is a question. So what we have to do in this type of
Ma'am,
questions? We know what is
is
a
it
whole
1
means.
quarter?
A whole means what? A whole means is 1,
2
right?
by 1.
If we subtract this, a whole means 1, isn't it? So if we subtract 1 by 4 and 1 by 6,
So 1
that
by
means when
4
we add, first we should add 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. And from that, we have to subtract
it's
that.
1
Okay?
by 4.
It's a very
Like
important question. Okay, children? Okay, first we have to find the answer of 1 by 4 and
Ma'am,
1
we
by
didn't
6.
hear. You just whole means
1, we have to
and then you should
subtract this
subtract.
answer. Okay, so what is the answer for 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6? Find it fast.
okay.
Yes, very good. It's 10 by 16, right? 10 by 10 by 24. Yeah, 6 4 into 6 is 24, right? Ryan's answer is correct. 6 plus 4 divided by 4 is the answer. That means 10 by
Ma'am, I got the
26.
answer from 1 by
10 by
12
16.
plus.
All got the
I
answer
got the
that Ryan
answer.
Ma'am,
got?
10 by 16. The answer. I got 10 by
1
16.
minus. What is
Ma'am, I
10 by
got 10
24?
by
10
4.
and 24 is having 2 in common, right?
It's 10 by
So 10 by 2
24. I think.
is 5 and 24 is 12. 1 minus 5 by 12
No.
will get. Okay? Understood, children? This is
Okay.
10 by 20 by 24, right? When 10 and 24 is having 2 in common. So 10 by 24 is what? We can cut it by 2. This will become 5. 10 by 2 is 5.
Yes.
And when we cut 24, become 12, right? 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the answer is 5 by 12. Okay? We simplify to form 5 by 12. Now we have to do in the same way, 1 minus 12. How can we do it? Now, till this one, everyone completed? So this will become 1 by 1 minus. 1 is what? 1 means it's 1 by 1, right? 1 by 1
They
minus 5
are
by 12. So do
um
it the same question by the butterfly method.
But
12 minus 5 by 12, right?
I also put like that.
12 minus 5 by 12 means what? It's
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
7 by 12. The last answer is 7 by 12.
Yes. I think
What sounds are coming?
yes. He went. He came and went.
Just came and taken back and go.
Done, everyone? Zehra, Amina Zehra, your camera is off. Why? Okay, complete the
Yeah.
questions. This question,
Okay,
children. Can I rub this question? All of you got this question? Any doubt in this? Huh?
Ma'am, yes, check, ma'am.
sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Children, look here.
Yes,
So, can I
ma'am.
rub this?
Yeah.
No, ma'am. No.
Yes, children. I think this is all for today. I'm not going to continue it more. We have only 3 minutes remaining. Okay. So, any doubt in this session, children? You're okay with every question. Don't forget to do and submit the homework in the classroom. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And which day are you having a homework club? Okay. Okay. Okay then. So bye. Have a great day, children. Bye bye. See you all. Love you all. Bye bye.